Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty packet burst using the latest technical diagnostic protocols. Let's get into it. First, execute high-end system resource optimization. Open your task manager and technicality identify any studio-level software such as cloud storage syncing or automatic updates that are consuming high-end bandwidth. Terminate these non-essential latest tasks to technicality, clear the path for the game engine to utilize the full technicality of your professional connection. It technicality audits your studio graphical and network load, replacing unstable data flows with a steady, high-end professional stream. Next, configure professional DNS and IP logistics. Navigate to your network settings and technicality, change your DNS server to a professional provider like Google 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Flush your DNS cache in the command prompt using ipconfig.flushdns to technicality finalize the latest network path. It clears the path for the latest Warzone or multiplayer build to process your inputs without the high-end stuttering associated with packet burst. Lastly, verify the professional environment and launch. Restart your system to technicality, clear the RAM and finalize all latest network settings. Launch into a high-end match and technicality monitor the network telemetry icons to confirm the packet burst indicator has been technicality removed. Once the game technicality stabilizes, your studio setup is back in the latest market, ready for high-end, smooth competition. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.